What's going on, guys? Gadgets123 back again with the what is this? Let me turn it around. The Aptoyu Bluetooth speaker. I think I said it right. If you check my last video, you could see the unboxing and how the device is and what's included, and especially the specs, which is kind of important. The price for this is about $12.99 last I saw, and if you have Amazon Prime, you get it free. Overall, it's a great speaker. Again, see my last video for the unboxing for more information. So what we're doing in this video, we're gonna test the actual device, and we're gonna see if it's water resistant as it was stated. All right. So again, I have another speaker here. So this one is actually charged. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, as you can see, this one, it has basically 3 out of 4, so it's almost fully charged. Here's the, I guess, the little Bluetooth light. Now it's currently connected to my tablet, so we're gonna test it out. All right, let's go a bit with the tablet. It's actually connected. You can probably see now. It is. You just look for it via the name, which is pretty cool. Some of them have like a weird name, and it's hard to find them, especially with a lot of Bluetooth going on, especially if you're outside. So now again, the music I picked was just non-copyright music, so please don't judge me at that. But let's see how it sounds. Let's put some more volume in this. So when you hear that noise, that means it's at full volume. Now again, my tablet is not at full volume. I just wanted to put the speaker full volume, and so I could move the volume via my tablet. Okay, so let's check it out, see how high and how it goes. Alright guys, as you could hear, it sounded pretty good, especially if it's just for a room or a small get, maybe a couple friends over. It doesn't sound too bad. Now the bass is a little bit, it doesn't have a lot of bass, so that's that's a little bit of a trade-off that you're getting, because I mean, for the price you're paying. Let me try another song and see what we could find here.
My selfie game now is lit. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. All my pictures look amazing.
Okay.
But damn, you a thump. Goddamn, got a halo, goddamn, you got on. Fucking, we gon' keep the drinks pouring, plus the cup the new bra. She fine, yeah, she ain't local. At least she ain't local. Fragrant Chanel, so her scent is so cocoa. I have 60 francs when she moves, it go slow-mo. So crash in the dish, cause you love your bitch.
Alright guys, as you could hear, it's actually pretty good. I mean, I tried a lot of the cheap, like the 25 and below speakers. The smaller ones, maybe the little bit bigger ones than this one, and this one is actually pretty damn good. I mean, you're paying about 13 bucks, free shipping. Overall, the quality of the sound for the price you're paying is actually really good. I like it. A lot of my customers enjoy this speaker. And I've sold a decent amount of these speakers again at my store, because it's, for the price you're paying, it's actually great little speaker. And again, it is water resistant. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna do a couple tests with some water and see how that works out.